Good morning and welcome to another edition of the Daily Fix. I am your usual host and presenter, Advocate Tulo Hoyani. This morning, I would like to look at another interesting dimension to the Meyiwa trial. You see, we have it on record now, and Brigadier Ginda has testified to this, that Kelly Khumalo, at least according to the narrative of 636, I don't want to talk about any other narrative this morning. Let us just talk about the narrative before the Pretoria High Court. That Kelly Khumalo was the mastermind behind the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. Let us also, in that line of thinking or along that trajectory, say that she then hired the 5 people to kill Senzo Meyiwa. Right? That is the testimony that we have in court under oath. What does this all mean? It means we have it from the police in no uncertain terms. And we don't just have it from any other policeman. We have it from a brigadier, the person who has told that court that he was leading this investigation into the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. That is Brigadier Ginda. Ginda told the court that Kelly Khumalo was a mastermind. So that is very clear that, and discloses the commission of a crime. That information discloses that Kelly Khumalo is guilty or can be charged with the crime of murder. Now, the tricky situation is Ginda himself has selectively chosen to charge the people that we see in court, leaving out Kelly Khumalo for reasons best known to Ginda and to Baloyi, the prosecutor. So where does that leave all this matter now? What remains to be seen is, can anything be done against Kelly Khumalo, given that we have evidence on oath that she is in one way or another, or in a most direct manner, in fact, involved in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa? Ginda has chosen not to arrest her. Baloyi has chosen not to arrest her. Is there any other way in which she can, is there any other person, or is there any other way in which she can get arrested? And my answer to that question is, yes, she can be arrested. A case has to be opened against Kelly Khumalo on the strength of the testimony of Brigadier Ginda. Let us look no further than the testimony of Brigadier Ginda. On the basis of that testimony, under oath before the Pretoria High Court, a case can be opened. Because the evidence is there, Ginda has already got it. It is part of docket 636. Whether she'll be charged separately or joined, and most probably she'll be charged separately, because this trial has just gone too far now to sort of join at this stage. So, but all I'm trying to make this morning is a case can be made against, it can be opened against her. A murder case can be opened against her. Probably at the same Fos Loras police station where it has not happened. That is an interesting dimension to the whole thing. I just want to explore that. Explore the possibility of opening a case against Kelly Khumalo and see where it takes, or what direction it takes, or what direction it takes, or whether it is at all feasible. So I am in touch with 1 or 2 people, and it will take a lot of guts and determination to do something of this nature. I'm in touch with a lot of people. At this stage, it looks all very promising that there's a likelihood that 1 or 2 people might just open a case against her. But for now, let us say there is a case to be made against her. She can be arrested. Why it is not happening, it is not for me to say. But it can happen. Not unless some people say she's above the law. But according to the Constitution of South Africa, nobody is above the law. And it remains to be seen whether she is above the law. Because her participation in a crime is disclosed in a trial. She is pointed out or fingered as the mastermind. And no arrest takes place. Who is this? Who are we talking about here? Somebody is pulling the strings here to make sure that Kelly Khumalo never gets arrested. But having said that, let me thank you for watching this video this Sunday morning or this Sunday. And please continue to subscribe and have a nice day.